Hey guys, it's Josh here with Superior. I'm standing in front of this 1998 Talon 25. We just got this thing in on trade. We'll go ahead and take a walk around and we'll show you what's up. So this is definitely a boat that we normally don't see in our dealership, but holy cow, this thing is a beast. 25 foot. It's got this custom graphics in this purple and yellow. It does have a few, nicks, little, bumps and scratches along the way. Purely cosmetic, but it is there. You got this pickle fork bow. Take a look underneath on the hull here. You have these really nice kind of ghosting graphics. Depending on which way you're looking at them, you can barely see them. Sun hits them just right. See that kind of disappear. Pretty cool purple anodized little swim steps back here. See those little header pipes sticking out the back. This thing's got some meat under the hood there. This drive is the Mercruiser Performance Bravo 1. Got those big beefy steering rams on either side. Nice stainless steel 4-blade prop. Get you going. It is sitting on a tandem axle aluminum trailer made by Mako. Not sure if I'm saying that exactly right, but maybe it's Miko. All right, let's go ahead and we'll take a look up inside. There's really not much to the interior of this boat. You can see it's a 5-seater. 1 bench seat here in the back, 2 captain chairs. You have these pretty cool blue anodized, rings around the gauges. There's all your switches. According to the hour gauge here, we've got 486.9 hours on this boat. Not bad for a 98. One thing that's kind of cool is down underneath here in the bow. You can see it opens up, a bunch of storage underneath there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what this boat's all about in the back here. All right, back here is the beast. This is a Mercruiser High Performance Series 525 SC, which means it's supercharged. 454 cubic inches of displacement. 525 horsepower on this. Got those chromed headers there that go to your pipes that run out the back. Customize this with some, blue anodized steering pump, pulleys. Just kind of really nice. Customize it. Got those steel braided lines running here. Definitely got some money into this engine for sure. All right, guys, and that's a quick walk around on this 1998 Talon 25. If you want some more information, give us a call at 916-638-3382 or shoot us a text at 916-634-0877. Or better yet, come on down to Superior Boat Repair and Sales and take a look at this boat in person. We'll see you around.